Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, extending from
It's a
20
special
nautical
name,
miles
Warren,
to
it's
40 nautical miles.
unrecognized.
Waters from Savannah, Georgia to Altamaha Sound, Georgia, extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:48 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles northwest of St. Simon's Island, moving east at 20 knots. Other thunderstorms will impact other portions of the coast up towards Tybee Island and Hilton Head Island as well. Hazard, wind gusts 35 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Buoy BL, Doughboy Sound Buoy D, Betsy Ross Reef, Tugs and Osqua, Latex Barge, Buoy BH, CAT Buoy, 110-degree Olympic Buoy, Grays Reef Buoy, Wausau Sound Buoy, Gaskin Banks, Gaskins Bank Wreck, Calabogie Sound, Savannah River Entrance, CCA Buoy, Altamaha Sound, John Bird, Sapelo Buoy South, Steel Barge Modena, Tug Elmira, move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service.
Unrecognized warning, it said.